Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Philips Air Purifier 900 series. So let's get started. This model name is AC0920, MRP is 9995, but we got it from Amazon for 8399. And inside the box we get the user manual. It comes with 2 years of warranty, and then there is a 2-pin adapter, the cord, and here is our air purifier. Sleek design, white color, and it is designed up to room size of 300 square feet with a CADR of 250 cubic meter per hour. It has 2 layers of HEPA filtration and the height is 36.4 centimeter. It features 360-degree air suction. See this mesh all around. It purifies air quickly, and they claim it cleans 36 square meter room in under 12 minutes. And at the bottom there are 3 anti-slip grip, so it stays firmly in place wherever you keep it. To use, just scan the QR code and register. All steps and guidelines are given there. I'll show you how. Just turn the purifier upside down. Now twist the bottom to open. There is the filter, HEPA filter. The plastic cover is there, so remove it and then fix it back exactly the same way. Now close the lid, and this is the particle sensor which we need to clean every 2 months. And now plug it in, turn it on, and it has a display. So this will show the real-time AQI. I live in Gurgaon and it's showing 122 AQI right now. So in 15 minutes in the closed room, it brought it down to 30 range, and the noise level is almost 0. And at night, the LED display glows softly. It captures 99.97% of the particle, filtering even as small as 0.03 microns. For maintenance, you just need to replace the filter. Filter life says it's up to 9000 hours. That we'll know after using it only. And one negative point I would say is the plastic quality doesn't feel very premium. Overall, I would give 4.2 out of 5. So if you're looking for an air purifier in budget option, this is definitely worth trying. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.